everyone, Peter Jordan here from pjreviews.com, and welcome to my review of Viddyoze 3.0. Viddyoze 3.0 will be going live tomorrow, May 1st, 11 o'clock a.m., and it will be available for you to purchase at that time. But before then, I thought it would be good to give you a review of it so you can get a little more acquainted with it in case you're not familiar with this software at all, and also to let you know a little bit more about what's going to be offered with the new version as opposed to the old version. Okay. I am also going to be including some bonuses should you decide to purchase this, and you can simply do that by clicking on the link below, which will take you to my bonus page. And wherever you see these blue banners, click here to secure your copy and your bonuses. You can click on those, and it will take you right to the sales page, and you'll be able to do that. But just remember, this special launch with special pricing is only going to be available for a limited period of time. So once this counter reaches 0, all of these bonuses will be removed, and you will not be able to receive them any longer. So if it's something you're interested in, you should make a decision fairly soon. Okay. Now, before I take you into the members area and we explore the software in a little more detail, let me just show you some of the bonuses that you will get should you decide to buy it. The first bonus I'm going to be offering you are 5 done-for-you whiteboard videos for local business. I'm sure you've seen these. They have professional voiceovers. They're very cool. High HD resolution, MP format, and you can easily add in your own client's business information at the end of the video and brand them as your own or for your client. So they're very good, and these are not some little cheap PLR type of videos either. These are high quality and rather costly. I'm also going to be including some royalty-free music clips that you can use. These are tracks from genres, and some of them are short, some of them are long. I use them all the time, and for my local clients, my local business videos, and for other videos that I've created as well. And this is a typo here, incidentally. It's not 100. It's actually 400 plus. And these are truly copyright-free, royalty-free music tracks that you can use with your own business and in creating your own videos. I'm also going to be including this very, very high quality, highly informative course on how to grow your profits using live video. Some of you may be familiar with live video and live streaming. How it can help, for example, you to rank your videos higher, how to keep your videos ranked higher, how you can actually increase buyer traffic using live videos, and all the strategies that you can employ in order to do that. It's an excellent course. I'm also going to be including a tutorial on how to rank YouTube videos on the first page of Google. It's a case study, an important one, and I think you're going to learn something very, very valuable from it. Also, I'm going to be giving you information about a free open source video editor. It's one of the first that I ever used because I just didn't feel comfortable using Premiere or any of that. It was just far too complicated, and it still is, and I still use Shortcut. It's really a very, very simple, very easy to use editor, and you can create all kinds of videos in it and edit them very, very simply, and I'm going to be including some actual full video tutorials with that to help you along. So those are the bonuses, okay? Now, what is the product about, okay? What is Viddyoze exactly? I'm going to assume that some of you may not be familiar with it at all. Maybe you've heard the name, but you weren't sure exactly what it was. Maybe you just thought it was some video creator, but you didn't know what it was. Let's look at the sales page briefly. Breathtaking video animations in 3 clicks, studio-grade intros, outros, call to actions, logo strings, social action, pure live action magic, all done in the cloud that you can create from anywhere. It's the first, they say, and only fully automated video animation maker for, excuse me, for business. cloud-based, as I said before. There are stunning live-action animations. It says you have to see them to believe them. Say goodbye to expensive contractors and unreliable freelancers. Get high-class animation in 3 clicks. Customize animations to match your brand in seconds. And this is particularly worth noting for you if you are a beginner, you're just getting started with videos. No previous marketing or design experience needed. In other words, this is supposedly very, very simple and anyone can use it. And it doesn't require a lot of tutorials or a lot of testing in order to make it work. Also, when you click on the link below, it'll take you to my bonus page, as I said before. And you will also find a video there. I'm not going to go through it right now, but it will show you exactly how Viddyoze 3.0, how it works. All right. A little bit about what you're going to find tomorrow when you go to the sales page. You're going to find that Viddyoze is going to be offered somewhere probably between $47 and $67 as a one-time, as a one-off. In other words, not going to be a monthly charge. It probably will be in the future, and that's why I'm saying if this is something you're interested in, and I think if you're interested in video marketing, you're going to want to consider this. It's extremely useful, and this is an incredibly good price. I wish I had gotten it at that price when I bought it back in 2016. They also are going to offer you as an OTO what is called the Template Club. What this is, basically you pay $37 a month, or you can pay a lifetime charge, a one-time charge of $347 for the year. And what you will get with that are 15 extra templates per month. It's 15. They usually overperform and actually provide more, but between 15 and 20 templates that will be given to you extra every single month. So this, in addition to the, I think it's going to be 175 templates are going to be included in this one-time charge up front in the front end. Okay, so that's basically what the funnel is going to look like. So don't be surprised if you buy this and then there is another offer. Okay, an OTO as they refer to it, an upgrade to the Template Club. This is totally optional. If you feel 150, 175 templates is going to be more than you'll ever use, that's fine. But if you feel that you would like to have more templates offered to you on a monthly basis because you need more variety, then by all means go for the Template Club. Okay? Okay, so that is essentially what it is all about. And now what we're going to do is we're going to jump right into the members area, and I'm going to show you what it looks like. So the first thing you're going to see down here is a tab, pull down menu for the categories. Okay, and this is a list of all the templates that you have, the different categories they pertain to. As you can see, because I'm in the Template Club, have around 866 templates at this particular time, and I've only used probably 1/3, if that, of all of them, and probably will never be able to exhaust all of them. And if you belong to the Template Club and you're getting an extra 15 or 20, as I said, you will certainly have an endless supply to use from with incredible variety. These are some of the ones that were recently added to the collection. Let's just see what they were. These are the caps. So you can have articles of clothing, and if you run your cursor over these, it'll give you sort of like a mini preview of what it's actually going to look like. So this one is a black female cap, so you can, here's a white female cap, white male cap, so you can attach a logo with that, and so forth. This is kind of cool. It's a reptilian logo. I like that. This is the origami dog. Incredibly stylized, incredibly complex, and just absolutely amazing to be able to create so many of these. Absolutely outstanding. Let's see. couple more categories. Let's take a look at logos. And I've used many of these. There's a flat circle wipe, so literally dozens and dozens of variations. You also find there's plenty here for e-commerce. Here's one for St. Patrick's Day. So there's ones for holidays. This is a logo wipe, revolving rings, Hydra. I mean, they pretty much explore everything that you can possibly imagine. So it's very, very cool. And very, very simple to create. I mean, let me just show you what I'm talking about. So basically, we're talking about a couple of clicks. Apologize for my computer. This is not them, but this is my computer's running a little bit slow tonight for some reason. I like to blame Comcast. I don't know about you. So these are the customization options that you have. You're just going to hit customize, and then it's going to give you the option to upload an image, to indicate whether you want audio or you don't. You can shut it on or off, and then whatever colors that you want to add to it, you can, and then you hit render, and then you can download your template to your computer for you to use. I mean, it's that simple, okay? And I'll give you a couple examples of the ones that I've created. I mean, I'm not going to take you through the whole process. As I said, it's basically 3 clicks. You add an image. You're going to add, whether it's a logo or just a photo. You can use a JPEG or a PNG. You upload it, indicate whether you want the audio to be associated with that template or not. Select the colors that you want, and you're ready to go. Now this one I did not have the audio on, and I think this one's called Glitch. Here's another one for a logo. Very cool. This is one I did for real estate. This is one for my beer company. I'm kidding. This is great, especially if you're a narcissist, where you're not feeling good about yourself, or you don't feel people don't pay enough attention to you. Sometimes I just like to play this in the morning before I go to work. It just makes me feel good about myself. I've never had such a group of people that admire me so much. So that's it. As you can see, brain dead simple to use. Anybody can use this, okay? And an amazing, amazing supply of templates for you to use for whatever you're doing, whatever niche you're in, or whether you're in e-commerce, whether you're doing local marketing, Amazon affiliate marketing, whatever you're going to use. These make great intros, outros. And here's one of the best things about it: the rendering time. Now, back when I first got this in 2016, the rendering times were atrocious for the most part. I never knew if it was going to take 10 minutes for it to to finally render, or it was going to take an hour. Yeah, sometimes as long as a half hour to an hour. It was just absolutely ridiculous. Well, since then, I have to tell you, they have worked very, very hard on fixing that and improving that. And it is amazing, the difference. Now, recently when I was just creating some logos, in the past it took much longer for them to render. They were taking on average now of around 5 to 7 minutes, which is really, really incredible, especially when you consider how much information is being processed here. This is not an easy thing to do. And it's being done in the cloud. So what that means is when you have thousands of people using this system at the same time, you're going to find that the rendering times are slightly longer, but not as long as they had been, and they're completely tolerable. Now, if you're doing something a little more complicated, with a lot of images in it and a lot of text, well, then it might take 15 minutes. But still, that is absolutely nothing to be able to get something like this, okay? And as far as the expense goes, all you have to do is go look at Fiverr. And by the way, this is a great idea. I haven't done it, but I know several marketers who who offer this particular service on Fiverr for over $100, like $120 to $130 per rendering. So think about that. That is a great way to monetize this. You could start offering this as a service. Remember, with the launch price that you're getting this at, for whatever it's going to be, $47, even if it's $67 for lifetime, and you're going to have unlimited renders with that, okay? You would be able to easily make a lot of money for a Fiverr gig. And I'm surprised there's not more people doing it. But anyway, that's something you should definitely consider with this, okay? So that's basically it in a nutshell. That's what it works. There's really nothing incredibly complicated about it. The only competitor to this, by the way, and I know this is not a review of Revio, Revio does much of what Viddyoze does. In fact, I also have and use Revio, but you talk about rendering times are just, for the most part, just horrible, I find, and totally unpredictable. And I also find it extremely buggy, and it is just not as user-friendly as Viddyoze is. And this is also far more intuitive. So with that being said, I hope this gives you a much better understanding of what Viddyoze is and why I personally think that it's extremely useful for video marketing, and for anybody even just starting out who really doesn't feel comfortable using Adobe After Effects or Premiere, doesn't want to go to that route, because that's a pretty steep learning curve. This is definitely the ticket. So I thank you, and if you're interested in buying this product through me, it's greatly appreciated. Come back tomorrow and click the link below this video. And as I said, there's another video there that can actually give you even a more in-depth understanding of how it works. Thanks for listening.